Khubor na Snem jong unong san Hima.
Kinong ilam jong kaseng Hspdp mentakas ngi ka arpusan tari ujileo arjara arpusau kilalit ben IT kajing ajing mut jongki syaka expert committee hakabai dei bat ka Bhah Thungkam Thungjam hakajilla habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor na kaliong general secretary jong ka Hspdp uba panbor rentathiang ulia thu bakaseng kala terwai kajing ajing mut jongki syaka committee pan ailang bet ne combine prapo na ka Hispa syabaro ki Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo Hspdp bat ki district kaseng kala terwa khandai 4% sya ki Khasi Jaiñtia bat khandai 4% sya ki Garo ha ki Garo kandai bet jong ki Garo bat ki Khasi kandai bet ke jongki syu lo ong bakaseng ka terwa ban Weng no ya kata ka Jingrah sya ka weipat ka Snem ne ka carried forward bat ka sarkar ka dei ban pendep bet hakatahi ka ju ka Snem klemra sya ka weipat ka Snem
suggestion untuk ka reception policy Tempat sini lawan mana ya pun strictly Hspdp ni reception policy. Di mikam ni sibut rikimat ni tentang santri point ya kebangila aswin ka committee ka ba mataksi. Kisah sini tentang santri IP lengkap lesing IP ka soft copy. Di kumko party kebangila don ko manifesto bangin revise ya ka reception policy. Di kum taru hani ko point ka Bhah ka jeng aji mut ni kolong ban combine 40% or 50% ya ka ba for both Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo in order of merit Hspdp ka no ka jeng wat kam sarkar bit exam mo but da ka combine 40 to 80% in order of merit kamu to do away 40 for Khasi Jaiñtias 40 for Garos combine kata ketika suggestion ka bani kong bini ai Kang bagang create ki healthy competition, mo among the educated employee youth. Mo number 2, Hspdp bat ka office memorandum jo ka 18 December 1972, Hspdp bat ki come up district level post. Kapati ko suggest kana 4%. Namta ki Khasi Jaiñtia, apo district Khasi Jaiñtia Hills. 90% for Khasi Jaiñtias in district of Khasi and Jaiñtia Hills. And whereas 90% nada ki district tan tagi Garo. Kuma Garo tagi Garo ki Khasi tagi Khasi 90%. Oh. Number 4, Hspdp ka paratu jo ka resolution. Kadon kini ka kini bomba ladadon ki deficiency kuma kalong hapo manchupuli kuma kadon nipo resolution mo. If there is a deficiency in the number of sheltered tribes and sheltered castes shall be carried forward to the next recruitment year and made good in the recruitment of that year. Kapag disini suggest me to do away the process of carried forward. Kapag mo kolong ba on the particular year lada kanu ka sarkar ka khot pan apply kam ni ban thap kam ni ban pendep ang tusnam without the process of carried forward. Taka di point number 4. But the most important point was number 5. Nakanya ka party Hspdp ka state reservation policy January 12. New allocation of seats for the academic careers, allocation of seats for academic careers in terms of Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo mo. Kamdan ko nung proper indication, Hspdp ka percentage marks. Then nakali ang party ngimlan iba nung haling issue kapat yung committee bakan relook into the matter. Di kumakalong mantalong kadon lalaka yung percentage. Di kanang manwanra ita ka efficiency, but ita ka combine 80% at ay kanil di gawin yung important points. Baka ni aji mo sa committee bakan pet bahay kani kanang panum tiya silang apreng kiniki lightly Khasi Jaiñtia Garo. We are all one nilong kawai the Khasi Jaiñtia Mandaro. Miklam ya fair even Garo is a part of Meghalaya. Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo is a part of Meghalaya. We cannot deny the fact. Nilong kawai ite. Alo kan menta. Ami mlan e kada panom rekum ka party ngiyang kum katang nong Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo.
Khasi Jaiñtia kadai hi banlong kumta. Naru kadang session jom paring kawan agni gali agni grilum Khasi Jaiñtia jom timpe nya kat khandai spa kat pas pa lai pulai no le thu yang ikum ka Khasi Jaiñtia agency United Khasi Jaiñtia district mo naru ko por paring por asam por megalia dar dar kan teknik along utar
Kini suggestion ni la depan, kasi ang expert committee man rahi ta.
Combine na pinta cakap kono 40-40 Kumbolong mansuna minta kono 40 plus 40 kono 80 ke
80%.
kono 80% for Khasi and Garo
Ani Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo.
Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo
Kami dia away combine.
Munda syukur Bhah terpang sokau Garo.
Combine. Tak satu combine. Kami dia berpak apa? In terms of efficiency, to create a healthy competition on people mana? Kunta. Pi dengan pipet bagi resolution gang. Nyawan ra ini ni ru. Ba ton chui thu ipi mo. The pipet bagi ketika resolution ko bang kena party ngila pet dunia mo. The pipet ketika para ketika sentence ke baar it has now been decided ketika resolution mo kung January 12 mo ketika dong kalah ini bohong keeping in view the inadequacy of representation of these communities ti hang tu ngingipe ketika communities means Khasi Jaiñtia Garo mo marhagi tigi por pin kama shua ka state hot jungi ni kan mau kat pina khana tigi por ki officer ka ribu bambe Khasi kini ki Assamese ni Bengali any non Khasi then mar tak na hangni kalong very clearly hangni inadequacy of representation of these communities in the services on the atmosphere of Meghalaya mo hangni ka ba lang ka ba khamsha po ong with the maintenance of efficiency and administration the day mar tak na is ong ba day mar tak na ong ba 40% to bring healthy competition and efficiency in the administration of the government services. Kadi nak kata benta. Administration level ni wala ka jong 9% at kung katu resolution jong ka kani office memorandum jong ka part December 1972. Kani ay la ka jong katu la ka jong iklam ipin ko lang. Pinda pa ka hakani ka copy jong ni government Meghalaya ni personal kani pin page din do copy pin do office memorandum to abai di ka district lang ka jong.
Kamu 90% pi.
90% for Khasi Jaiñtia and 90% for Garo. Separately. At episode 2 mahal itu ka efficiency mana mga warna ay banikong in terms of these communities mo ano mga itu.